kalimutan, gintong alaala ng ating
RPN Radio Philippines Network, DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, DYKC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RPN Radio Philippines Network.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
An oras na yan, atod sa Indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Sigera, President, Sigera Technological Colleges, Iriga City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Sigera Technological Colleges.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Paano ka mag-online shopping ngayon? Bayad muna bago bukas parcel? Online shopping with ShopSafe. Bukas parcel bago bayad. Introducing M. Luelier's newest iwas scam service, ShopSafe. ShopSafe is an online escrow service which connects buyers and sellers safely online on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and Carousel. Magaan ng online shopping with ShopSafe. Download the Mcash app now or visit mluelier.com to learn more about it. Shop smart, sell safe with ShopSafe.
Tayo na sa Emlulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutuparan ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Dito na sa Emlulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asin nagaako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogmon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center, open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard asin undersized na mga bakal arog gan kabilya, angle bars asin iba pa tasigon sa mga eksperto. Nakabarato kaman sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales asin posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. De kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya. Ngo & Sons, ang ngaran na matitiwalaan. Poon kadto, sagkod ngunyan.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong kumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, ikot pa lumipas siya. Hello, right for blue. Isang labanan yan. Right for blue.
Pride Bar Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Diba dumit man siya? Hello Pride Bar Blue. Isang laban lang yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ng Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Gadan ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo!
Smart to
Smart dishwashing paste ko!
Smart to
Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Araw kayan, pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste!
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. Iguaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular
Boom,
use.
puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Paano ka mag-online shopping ngayon? Bayad muna bago bukas parcel? Online shopping with ShopSafe. Bukas parcel bago bayad. Introducing M. Lulier's newest iwas scam service, ShopSafe. ShopSafe is an online escrow service which connects buyers and sellers safely online on Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and Carousel. Magaan ang online shopping with ShopSafe. Download the Mcash app now or visit mlulier.com to learn more about it. Shop smart, sell safe with ShopSafe.
RPN Radio Philippines Network. DZRL Batak. DZKI Iriga. DYKB Bacolod. DYKC Cebu. DXKS Surigao. DXKO Cagayan de Oro. DXXX Zamboanga. DXKD Dipolo. DXKT Davao. DXDX General Santos. RPN Radio Philippines Network.
RPN Radio Philippines Network. Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga. Member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
DWIZ 882 at RPN Provincial Stations. Mas pinalakas.